You think education is expensive? Try ignorance. This comes from our textbook in Mr. Derek Bach that I know education is expensive, time consuming, also financially expensive, but at the same time it's going to open up a huge amount of doors for you when you graduate. And I encourage you to do that right here at Southwest Texas Junior College and get your associate's degree. Welcome back. Week 3 video. My name is Rob Fowler. I'm your Speech 1311 teacher here on Summer Session 1. Today I want to discuss with you the resume assignment, the interview assignment, and then briefly touch on the oral presentation. Ralph Waldo Emerson has mentioned that what lies behind you and what also lies before you is tiny compared to what lies within you. Let's go ahead and get started with the resume assignment. As we mentioned last week, you need to go to shared files, take a look at the resume tutorial, also go to the back of your book under interviewing. That's going to give you an idea and also a sample about how to create a resume. And I want this to be an actual up-to-date resume. So please be aware that I'm going to extend the deadline to that to be due on July the 10th. Originally it was going to be due on June 29th, but I will extend that deadline. So make sure that you adhere to the assignment guidelines for the resume project. Next up, I want to talk about the interview project. And the interview project is going to be something that you need to go to shared files. You have the Form A and Form B that you're going to need to print out. They both look exactly the same, but you're going to need those when you get started with your interview, especially Form A when you go to the interview. Go to My Assignments, take a look at almost the one-page assignment guidelines that tells you that you need to go out and find a person that holds a job that you are interested in obtaining in the next 6 months or up to 5 years from now. So make sure and go over that document very, very clearly. And all the materials are going to need to be uploaded into My Assignments. That can either be done by scanning, which is probably your best bet. Number 2, you can take pictures of the documents, email them to yourself, and then upload them onto My Assignments. But I will not take that in any form, any fashion on an email. We're going to extend the deadline on that one. It's been out since week 1. So My Assignments shared files can help you with the interview. Make sure on your thank you note that you make a copy, one for the professional and then one that you can upload into the My Assignments. June 29th was the original date, but we are going to extend that one to July the 10th. I want to talk briefly about the oral presentation. It's worth 200 points. You're going to need to go to shared files. We're going to have an assignment guidelines set up. I'm going to have an oral presentation evaluation form there as well to see how you're going to be evaluated. And then we're going to have a sample outline. You're going to need to set up a YouTube account if you do not have one. The title of this presentation is going to be My Dream Job. And you can kind of use the topic or the person that the person that you choose for the interview project. That's more or less your dream job, and tie it into the oral presentation. So shared files for the assignment guidelines, sample outline. Also, you're going to have the oral presentation evaluation form, and you're going to need to set up a YouTube account that you can video yourself and then upload it to the portal. I'm going to send out an email with, assignment guidelines on My Assignments to make sure we're in the same connection as far as that goes on the oral presentation. Due date on that one, it's going to either be the week of July the 4th, and I'll put that in the assignment guidelines, or the very latest July the 10th on the oral presentation. But I want to just go ahead and get the momentum started on this assignment. And this will be one of our more rewarding assignments here in Speech 1311. So today we've gone over the resume assignment. We've touched on the interview assignment. We've also talked a little bit about the oral presentation. So I want to make sure that we're on the same page on those three assignments. We've got Show What You Know, exam number 3 on Monday. That'll complete our 3 examinations. Exam number 1 grades have already gone out, so make sure you take a look at that. I want to end with a quote and a slogan that we have right here at Southwest Texas Junior College. It goes like this: go to college. Go to any college, junior college, community college, senior college, but we highly recommend Southwest Texas Junior College. So if you know of anybody that's looking for a junior college, community college, please encourage them to attend Southwest Texas Junior College.